Good morning, everybody. Today is our very first day together, and I'm so excited to start our learning journey with all of you. Before we begin our lessons, it's really important that we get to know each other better. This way, we can create a friendly and supportive class environment. Let's start by introducing ourselves. You can tell us your name, where you're from, a little about your family, if you're married or not, the languages you can speak, what you've studied, any job experience you might have, and finally, your hobbies. Sharing these things will help us understand more about each other and make our time together more enjoyable. I will start with myself. My name is Christina Morris. I am 45 years old, married, and come from a family of 4. I was born and raised in Miami, but now live in Chicago. For nearly a decade, I lived in Italy, where I dedicated my time to teaching English. I have a linguistics degree from the University of Michigan and over 20 years of experience teaching the English language. I'm fluent in up to 5 languages, including Spanish, Italian, French, Arabic, and English, which allows me to connect with a diverse range of students. Reading is one of my passions, especially books that inspire and tell stories of people making a significant impact. That is all from me now. Who is going to be next? Yes, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ali Dagan. I'm 27 years old. I was born and lived in Turkey for most of my life. Now I've been living in Chicago for the past 3 years. I studied at the University of Ankara, where I got my degree in accounting. Currently, I'm working in the accounting department at Tesla, which is really exciting for me. I come from a big family. There are 6 of us in total. Besides work, I enjoy being physically active and spend a lot of time playing sports and team games. It's nice to meet all of you. I'm excited to be here and learn with you.
Thank you, Ali. Who is next? Yes, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kiara Khan. I am 26 years old. I am an only child, married, and have 2 children, a boy who is 2 years old and a girl who is 5 months old. I was born and raised in Mumbai, India, and moved to Chicago 2 years ago. I have a bachelor's degree in nursing and worked in the nursing field for 4 years before moving to the U.S. Currently, I'm not working, but I really want to improve my English. I believe that improving my English will help me get a job and settle down in the U.S. I like spending my time reading books. I am also an outgoing person who enjoys being around people. I'm pleased to meet you all and excited about the opportunity to learn English together.
Thank you very much, Kiara. Who is next? Yes, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anna Eriksson. I am in my late 30s. I was born in Malmö, Sweden, but I grew up in Helsinki, Finland. Right now, I am studying engineering. I am one of 4 siblings. My older brother is married and has 2 kids, so I also have a niece and a nephew. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and watching animal documentaries. These hobbies help me relax and learn new things about the natural world. I'm delighted to meet all of you, and am eager to discover more about you as we learn together.
Thank you very much, Anna. Who is next? Yes, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Chinara Adebayo. I come from Lagos, Nigeria, but originally from South Africa. I am in my early 40s, married and blessed with 3 children, 2 sons and a daughter. I was a businesswoman for about 8 years until I faced bankruptcy. After that, I moved to the U.S. One of my main goals now is to improve my English. I believe that enhancing my language skills will be crucial for starting a new business here in the U.S. To unwind, I enjoy watching TV and listening to music. It's great to have a class full of so many wonderful people. I am really looking forward to learning together with you.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Adebayo. Who is next? Yes, go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Elena Alejandro, and I'm from Mexico. I am in my late teens. I come from a very small family. It's just me and my brother, who is 2 years older than me. I'm multilingual, speaking Spanish, French, and English. I'm here to continue my education with plans to study medicine. In my spare time, I really enjoy going to the gym because it helps me stay fit and energized. I'm excited about the opportunity to learn both from you and with you during our time together.
Good morning, everybody. I'd like to take a moment to introduce a new addition to our educational community, Mr. Lucas Arnaud. Lucas is in his mid-30s. He was born in France, but right now he is living in New York. Lucas studied engineering and has worked for 12 years at Vinci, which is the leading construction company in France. He is also a family man, happily married with 4 children. He has 3 daughters and a son. On behalf of our class and the teaching staff, I want to give a warm welcome to Mr. Lucas Arnaud. We hope you have a happy and enriching time studying with us.
Hello, I'm Alex. It's my first time here. Where are you from?
Hello, Alex. I'm Maria. I was born in Italy but raised in Germany. What about you?
I'm originally from Frankfurt, but now I'm based in Berlin. It's quite a change. Moving cities for university.
Definitely. How long have you been living in Berlin?
I just moved here for my studies. I've lived in Frankfurt all my life before this. And you? Have you been in Germany long?
Pretty much my whole life. My family moved here when I was very young. I grew up here, so it feels like home.
What's your family like?
It's just me and my sister. We're a small family. What about you?
I come from a family of 5. It's always been lively at home.
That sounds nice. What are you studying?
I am studying agriculture, majoring in food production. What about you?
I'm taking a courses in accounting. I always had a knack for numbers.
What do you enjoy doing in your spare time?
I am really into music. I like listening to classical music. What about you?
I'm really keen on watching football on television. I also enjoy painting and drawing.
Talking about your age in English is straightforward. This lesson will teach you different ways to express your age. Expressing exact age. For your exact age, use the following structure. Example, I am 32 years old. General age ranges. If you prefer to speak about your age more generally, you can use early, mid, or late, followed by the term 20s, 30s, 40s, etc. Example 1. I am in my early 20s. This means you are from 20 to 23 years old. Example 2. I am in my mid-30s. This means you are from 34 to 36 years of age. Example 3. I am in my late 40s. This means you are from 47 to 49 years of age. Approximate age. To express an approximate age, you can use about. Example, I am about 40 years old. This approach allows you to convey an age range without specifying an exact number. When talking about where you're from or your current location, it's important to express yourself clearly and accurately. This lesson will guide you on how to discuss your origins and current living situation. You can simply use the following examples to mention your origin. Example 1, I come from France. Example 2, I come from Delhi, India. If you want to add more detail about your early years, you can specify where you grew up. Example 1, I grew up in Paris. Example 2, I was born and raised in Oslo, Norway. If you have moved from your place of birth, indicate your current place of residence. Example 1, I grew up in New York, but now I live in Boston. Example 2, I was born and grew up in Frankfurt, but now I'm based in London. Example 3, I was originally from Canada, but now live in the States.